Want to customize the look of your Windows 11 Start menu? Here's how you can change it in a few simple steps. First, click on the Start button, then open Settings. From the left sidebar, select Personalization, and then click on Start. Here, you'll see several options to customize your Start menu. You can turn on or off options like Show Recently Added Apps, Show Most Used Apps, or Show Recently Opened Items. Next, if you want to change the layout of the Start menu, you'll see three options: More Pins to show more apps, Default, or More Recommendations to show more suggested files. Select the one that fits your preference. You can also move the Start button to the left if you prefer the classic Windows look. Go back to Personalization. Taskbar, then under Taskbar Behaviors, set Taskbar Alignment to Left. And that's it! You've customized your Windows 11 Start menu just the way you like it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Windows 11 tips.